In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly create multiple social media posts with their own unique tracking URL parameters and hashtags. I just need to copy my social media post into my clipboard and insert the snippet on the different platforms. Notice how the tracking URL and hashtags change accordingly. You don't even need to worry about how it works. The notes inside the snippet will tell you everything you need to know, including how to customize it to your needs. And if you've got questions, give us a shout out in the community. We're always there to help. Plus, you'll find some really cool and smart people to chat with who have been doing amazing stuff for their workflows with TextBlaze.